everybody, it's Jill. Just going to start cutting this new soap. It's a lavender and honey, and it smells good. Just going to tidy up the end a bit. Yeah, so make them 2 1/4. It's a bit soft still, even though I used a water discount, but yeah. Ooh, I'm going to have to turn it on its side. That's from the lavender on the top. See what happens. So I'll have to turn that little log over, otherwise we're going to end up with a bit of a mess. So let's see if this does a better job. Still a little line in it, but that's really nice hand-dried lavender. So yeah, very nice to pick up and move it. It's very sticky, even after a day and a half out of the mould. Yep, it's still doing it. Doesn't look too bad actually. There we go. Gosh, it smells good. Really smells nice. Very lavendery with a bit of honey. So, yeah, just very soft. Might be because it's a bit humid, but it definitely smells good. Really sticky. Oh, surprised how sticky it still is. I used a water discount as well, so I'm not sure. It's a really nice recipe. It's got coconut oil, canola oil, shea butter, and palm oil. Yeah, so it's creating some drag marks, but it actually looks quite good. It's quite decorative, so I'm not too concerned about it. It's to do with the lavender, I think. There you go. Good colour. I used a pink mica for the bottom and a sort of golden brown for the top. It's kind of finished up a bit grey looking, which is interesting. But yeah, it smells good. I'll just clean up this back piece here because it's a bit wonky. There we are. So it really smells good. Those end pieces, they'll be mine. I like those. So there's those. So yeah, that's been fun. So I'll sit that now to dry for a couple of weeks and spend a bit more time with my melts, which I've been working on. These have turned out so nice. This has got amber and sandalwood. They're really quite solid, and I've been using these and putting a hole in them and putting them on the top of my candle jars. Let's see this one here. It's got different sized roses. So that's the, oh, that smells so good. That's amber and sandalwood. So that's really, really nice. This one's jasmine and honeysuckle. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I haven't cut the wicks yet, but you can see the little roses. Some of those are sandalwood and the other ones are honey and honeysuckle and jasmine. And they are smelling really, really nice. So I'm enjoying making the little roses that go on the top and the big ones as well. So there's, oh gosh, they smell so good. So they look really cute. So different size roses, melts. So they look so pretty. and they smell so nice while they're just sitting here on this platter in my dining room area. They smell so good. So I've just got to work my pricing out on those, but they've come out really good. I'm happy with those, and so I'm really pleased with this lavender soap. It just needs to now sit and dry and cure, and I use my beautiful, this is hand dried lavender that I've used, and oh, it still smells so good. So yeah, very happy with everything at the moment, and thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm happy to put the recipe up for this soap bar if you're interested. Just message me and let me know. Anyway, have a good day. Thanks for watching. Hope you'll subscribe and like the video, and any feedback, I'm happy to get it. Thank you.